My name is Adam. Today I will revise Discover with You and Master Ahmed. Let us begin.
Question. Write the scientific term a chemical bond originating between water molecules. Option 1 covalent bond. Option 2 ionic bond. Option 3 hydrogen bond. Option 4 van der Waals force. Question. Write the scientific term the instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure and possible day weather. Option 1 hygrometer. Option 2 anemometer. Option 3 aneroid. Option 4 thermometer. Question. Write the scientific term 1. The measuring unit of atomic radius, equal to 1/millionth of a meter. Option 1 picometer. Option 2 angstrom. Option 3 femtometer. Option 4 nanometer. Question. Write scientific term the death of all members of a species of living organisms. Option 1 eradication. Option 2 obliteration. Option 3 decimation. Option 4 extinction. Question. Write the scientific term, a compound formed by combining one oxygen atom with two molecules of hydrogen. Option 1 water. Option 2 hydrogen peroxide. Option 3 carbon dioxide. Option 4 ammonia. Question. Write the scientific term a type of pollution caused by using seawater in cooling nuclear reactors. Option 1 nuclear waste. Option 2 acoustic pollution. Option 3 thermal pollution. Option 4 chemical pollution. Question. Compare between metal and nonmetal. According to the type of solution with water. Option 1 metals generally form alkaline solution and nonmetals forms acidic solution. Option 2 both metals and nonmetals form only solid solutions in water. Option 3 metals dissolve in water to form gases, while nonmetals do not react with water. Option 4 metals and nonmetals have the same type of solution when mixed with water. Question. Compare between acidic solution and alkaline solution, effect on litmus paper. Option 1 acidic solution turns litmus blue, alkaline solution turns litmus red. Option 2 both acidic and alkaline solutions turn litmus paper green. Option 3 acidic solution has no effect on litmus paper, alkaline solution turns it purple. Option 4 acidic solution turns litmus red, alkaline solution turns litmus blue. Question. Compare between the complete body and cast fossil. Give one example. Option 1 complete body fossil, fish in rock, cast fossil, snail shell. Option 2 complete body fossil, mammoth in ice, cast fossil, leaf imprint. Option 3 complete body fossil, dinosaur bone, cast fossil, tree stump. Option 4 complete body fossil, mammoth, cast fossil, ferns. Question. Compare between troposphere and stratosphere. Thickness. Option 1 troposphere, 15 to 20 kilometers, stratosphere, 20 to 60 kilometers. Option 2 troposphere, 0 to 8 kilometers, stratosphere, 8 to 20 kilometers. Option 3 troposphere, 8 to 15 kilometers, stratosphere, 15 to 50 kilometers. Option 4 troposphere, 5 to 10 kilometers, stratosphere, 10 to 30 kilometers. Question. Compare between alkali metals and halogens based on their reactivity with water. Option 1 alkali metals do not react with water, while halogens react explosively. Option 2 both alkali metals and halogens react mildly with water. Option 3 halogens react vigorously with water, while alkali metals do not react. Option 4 alkali metals highly react with water, while halogens do not react significantly with water. Question: compare between ozone and oxygen in terms of role in the atmosphere. Option 1 oxygen supports respiration and is vital for life, while ozone protects against UV radiation in the stratosphere. Option 2 ozone is a byproduct of combustion, while oxygen is a pollutant in the atmosphere. Option 3 oxygen is found only in the troposphere, while ozone is found only in the exosphere. Option 4 ozone is essential for photosynthesis, while oxygen is a greenhouse gas. Question: compare between ionosphere and stratosphere. Thickness. Option 1 ionosphere, 48 to 965 kilometers, stratosphere, 12 to 48 kilometers. Option 2 ionosphere, 160 to 320 kilometers, stratosphere, 32 to 40 kilometers. Option 3 ionosphere, 1.6 to 16 kilometers, stratosphere, 80 to 97 kilometers. Option 4 ionosphere, 16 to 80 kilometers. Question: compare between petrified wood and amber fossils. Examples. Option 1 petrified wood is a type of fossilized insect. Option 2 amber is formed from mineralized wood. Option 3 the petrified forest Baltic amber. Option 4 petrified wood is a type of amber. Question: compare between alkali metals and halogens. In terms of atomic radius. Option 1 alkali metals and halogens have the same atomic radius. Option 2 halogens have larger atomic radii than alkali metals. Option 3 halogens have smaller atomic radii than alkali metals. Option 4 alkali metals have larger atomic radii than halogens. Question: compare between carbon and magnesium, in terms of their type of solution with water. Option 1 neutral, neutral. Option 2 acidic, alkaline. Option 3 neutral, alkaline. Option 4 acidic, neutral. Question: compare between ionosphere and troposphere. In terms of thickness. Option 1 extending from 50 kilometers to 1000 kilometers, while the troposphere is much thinner, ranging from 0 kilometers to 18 kilometers. Option 2 the troposphere is thicker than the ionosphere. Option 3 both the ionosphere and troposphere have the same thickness. Option 4 the ionosphere is thinner than the troposphere. Question: compare between mold and cast fossils, in terms of their formation. Option 1 mold fossils when an organism decays or dissolves after being buried in sediment, form when the mold cavity, created by the decayed or dissolved organism, fills with minerals or other materials over time. Option 2 mold fossils are formed from the remains of organisms, while cast fossils are made from organic material. Question: choose the correct answer. A metal alkali lies in the second period, its atomic number is Option 1 5. Option 2 3. Option 3 4. Option 4 2. Question: molecules is a polar compound. Option 1 water. Option 2 nitrogen. Option 3 carbon dioxide. Option 4 oxygen. Question: the radius of an atom is measured by which unit? Option 1 nanometers, nm. Option 2 picometers, pm. Option 3 millimeters, mm. Option 4 centimeters, cm. Question: what type of bonds are present between water molecules? Option 1 hydrogen bonds. Option 2 covalent bonds. Option 3 Ionic bonds. Option 4 van der Waals forces. Question. Zero group includes. Option 1 noble gases. Option 2 alkalis. Question. Which pollutant causes liver cancer? Option 1 benzene. Option 2 lead. Option 3 asbestos. Option 4 arsenic. Question. Mention importance or uses of troposphere layer. Option 1 The troposphere is primarily responsible for ocean currents. Option 2 The troposphere is where most satellites orbit the Earth. Option 3 The troposphere is a layer that contains all the Earth's minerals. Option 4 The troposphere is important in weather and climate changes occur, supporting life on Earth. Question. Mention importance or uses of fossils. Option 1 Fossils are a type of modern art used in galleries. Option 2 Fossils are only found in deserts and mountains. Option 3 Fossils are primarily used for making jewelry. Option 4 Fossils are used to study the history of life on Earth, understand evolutionary biology, and locate natural resources. Question. Mention importance or uses of noble gases in the periodic table. Option 1 Noble gases are used in neon signs, argon in welding, helium in balloons, and xenon in flash lamps. Option 2 Noble gases are used in fertilizers. Option 3 Helium is used in deep-sea diving equipment. Option 4 Argon is primarily used in cooking appliances. Question. Mention importance or uses of the ozone layer for life on Earth. Option 1 The ozone layer is essential for life on Earth as it protects against harmful UV radiation. Option 2 The ozone layer is responsible for regulating Earth's temperature. Option 3 The ozone layer helps in the formation of clouds. Option 4 The ozone layer is a source of oxygen for breathing. Question. Mention importance or uses of altimeter. Option 1 Measuring temperature in aircraft cabins. Option 2 Calculating fuel efficiency in vehicles. Option 3 Determining wind speed during flights. Option 4 Device in aeroplane measure altitude. Question. Mention importance or uses of aneroid barometer. Option 1 Possible day weather. Option 2 Essential for cooking and baking. Option 3 Commonly found in kitchen appliances. Option 4 Used primarily for measuring humidity. Question. The modern periodic table consists of vertical groups and horizontal periods. Option 1 20 groups and 5 periods. Option 2 16 groups and 6 periods. Option 3 10 groups and 8 periods. Option 4 18 groups and 7 periods. Question. Is an example of petrified fossils. Option 1 Dinosaur bones. Option 2 Amber. Option 3 Fossilized fish. Option 4 Petrified wood. Question. By increasing the atomic number in a period, the atomic size. Option 1 decreases. Option 2 varies randomly. Option 3 remains the same. Option 4 increases. Question. Fossils are traces and remains of organisms found in rocks. Option 1 modern, igneous. Option 2 ancient, metamorphic. Option 3 ancient, sedimentary. Option 4 recent, sedimentary. Question. The death of all members of a species is called, and, is one of its reasons. Option 1 conservation, climate change. Option 2 survival, pollution. Option 3 adaptation, overfishing. Option 4 extinction, habitat loss. Question: alkali metals belong to group in the modern periodic table. Option 1 3A. Option 2 2A. Option 3 4A. Option 4 1A. Question: what is meant by chemical activity series? Option 1A classification of chemical bonds. Option 2A method for balancing chemical equations. Option 3 arrangement of metals based on their reactivity. Option 4 a list of all known chemicals. Question: what is meant by mold fossil? Option 1 a replica of internal details of old living organism that left after its death in sedimentary rocks. Option 2 a mold fossil is a type of fossil formed by the mineralization of an organism. Option 3 a mold fossil is a type of fossil that preserves the actual remains of an organism. Option 4 a mold fossil is a type of fossil that shows the color patterns of an organism. Question: what is meant by thermal pollution? Option 1 thermal pollution is the increase in water temperature due to human activities, affecting aquatic ecosystems. Option 2 thermal pollution is the increase in air temperature affecting land ecosystems. Option 3 thermal pollution refers to the release of cold water into hot environments. Option 4 thermal pollution is the decrease in water temperature due to natural causes. Question: what is meant by atmospheric pressure? Option 1a the weight of air column on a unit area. Option 2 the temperature of the atmosphere at sea level. Option 3 the pressure caused by wind currents in the atmosphere. Option 4 the humidity level in the atmosphere. Question: what is meant by electronegativity? Option 1 electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract electrons in a chemical bond. Option 2 electronegativity is the measure of an atom's size. Option 3 electronegativity is the speed at which electrons move in an atom. Option 4 electronegativity refers to the temperature at which a substance melts. Question: what is meant by index fossil? Option 1 an index fossil is a type of rock formation. Option 2 an index fossil is a fossil that is only found in one location. Option 3 an index fossil is a fossil that is millions of years old. Option 4 they are fossils that had lived for short period in the past and widely distributed then extinct. Question: ionosphere is called thermal layer. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: mold fossils are considered a link between reptiles and mammals. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: stratosphere is called thermal layer. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: cast fossils are considered a link between reptiles and mammals. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: Wadi El Hitan is known for fossilized whale skeletons. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: Group 1A includes nonmetals. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: what happens when a piece of potassium is placed in water? Option 1 potassium reacts explosively with water, producing potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Option 2 potassium turns into a solid when placed in water. Option 3 potassium floats on the surface of water without any reaction. Option 4 potassium dissolves harmlessly in water. Question: what happens when an element loses an electron? Option 1: the element becomes an anion. Option 2: the element gains a proton. Option 3: the element remains neutral. Option 4: the element becomes positive ion or cation. Question: what happens when an organism is buried rapidly in ice? Option 1: the organism turns into a fossil. Option 2: the organism is preserved in a frozen state. Option 3: the organism decomposes quickly. Option 4: the organism becomes a liquid. Question: what happens when erosion of the ozone layer continues? Option 1: decreased air pollution levels. Option 2: increased UV radiation causing health and environmental issues. Option 3: improved climate conditions for wildlife. Option 4: increased crop yields due to more sunlight. Question: what happens when tropical forests are removed continuously? Option 1: tropical forest removal causes ecological imbalance and environmental degradation. Option 2: tropical forest removal enhances soil fertility. Option 3: tropical forest removal leads to more rainfall. Option 4: tropical forest removal increases biodiversity. Question: what happens when an element gains an electron? Option 1: the element becomes a positively charged ion, cation. Option 2: the element remains neutral with no charge change. Option 3: the element becomes a negatively charged ion, anion. Option 4: the element loses a proton and becomes a different element. Question: give reason for atmospheric pressure higher at sea level than at mountain tops. Option 1: mountain tops have more air molecules than sea level. Option 2: atmospheric pressure is the same at all altitudes. Option 3: due to the greater weight of the air column above sea level. Option 4: air is denser at higher altitudes than at sea level. Question: give reason for thermal pollution harmful to aquatic life. Option 1: thermal pollution increases fish reproduction rates. Option 2: thermal pollution has no effect on water temperature. Option 3: because it reduces oxygen levels and promotes harmful algae growth. Option 4: thermal pollution enhances the growth of beneficial bacteria. Question: why water is not used to extinguish sodium fires? Option 1: water reacts with sodium, causing explosions. Option 2: water dilutes sodium, making it safer. Option 3: water is ineffective against all types of fires. Option 4: water cools sodium, preventing fires. Question: Archaeopteryx is considered a transitional fossil. Option 1: false. Option 2: it has characteristics of both reptiles and birds. Option 3: Archaeopteryx is a modern bird. Option 4: Archaeopteryx is a dinosaur. Question: give reason for cesium is the most reactive alkali metal. Option 1: cesium is the least reactive alkali metal due to its small atomic size. Option 2: cesium has a high ionization energy, making it difficult to lose electrons. Option 3: cesium is stable and does not react with other elements easily. Option 4: because it has the largest atomic size allowing it to easily lose its outermost electron. Question: give reason for dodo bird became extinct. Option 1: due to human hunting, habitat destruction. Option 2: the dodo bird migrated to another region and was never seen again. Option 3: the dodo bird was hunted by large predators. Option 4: the dodo bird became extinct due to climate change.
Thanks for being with us. Please press the link down the video and try to solve the question again and again till you reach as 100% best wished Ahmed Diab, Science Supervisor and Manger of Dabu Academy.